Wake up call, night owl, morning riser. It's your daily dose of news I'm bringing. The sun is up, the coffee is hot, and we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Buckle up, folks, it's time to get informed. Well, it's your lucky day, because we've got a whole stack of news to get through. Let's start with the big one. Trump Media, founded by the one and only Donald Trump, has released its first earnings report since starting its Bitcoin investment strategy. And folks, it's not looking great. The company reported a whopping $55 million loss in the third quarter, despite investing a staggering $1.3 billion in Bitcoin. Yeah, you read that right, 55 million is a lot of money, but 1.3 billion is. Well, you get the idea. But don't worry, Trump Media isn't giving up. They are planning to continue purchasing more Bitcoin, so maybe, just maybe, they'll get a return on their investment someday. In the meantime, the rest of us are left wondering what happens next in the world of cryptocurrency. Speaking of which, the US Senate has reportedly reached a deal to end the government shutdown. And if you're keeping score at home, that's good news for the crypto market. A shutdown could have led to all sorts of economic uncertainty, and that's never good for cryptocurrency prices. Now let's talk about what's happening in the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are all seeing a boost thanks to the potential end of the government shutdown. Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is experiencing a 7% increase in value, and XRP is seeing a significant jump. It's like the whole market is saying, phew, we thought we were going to be stuck in this uncertainty forever. But of course, there are some concerns about the future of cryptocurrency. The Ethereum network has seen a significant drop in gas fees, which is welcome news for traders. However, it may also indicate some underlying issues with the network's revenue generation model. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. And if you're interested in the future of Ethereum, you might want to look out for the Fusaka upgrade. In December 2025, Ethereum is planning a significant upgrade that will enhance the network's scalability, improve security, and provide new tools for developers. It's like a whole new world is opening up for Ethereum. But in the meantime, cryptocurrency companies are still facing some challenges. They need access to traditional banking services, which is a whole different world. Banking services provide quick access to liquidity and enable companies to manage their finances efficiently. Without them, crypto companies would be lost at sea. And if you're worried about the security of your cryptocurrency, you're not alone. The cryptocurrency market saw significant losses in April, with a total of $161 million lost to various types of crypto crimes. But don't worry, there are ways to stay safe. We've got some tips and tricks to share with you, but for now, let's just say that supply chain attacks are a growing concern in the world of cryptocurrency. And finally, let's talk about the North Korean hackers who are using stolen cryptocurrency to mine more cryptocurrency through cloud services. It's like they are playing a never-ending game of cryptocurrency whack-a-mole. But we've got our eyes on them, and we're working to prevent such activities. Well, that's your daily dose of news for today. Thanks for tuning in, folks. We've got a lot to cover, and we're just getting started. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Blockchain bites, you know what they say. If you want to make a good first impression, start with a good last impression. But if you want to make a good impression in the world of cryptocurrency, you might want to learn about the flight risk of investors. See, when investors are considering an investment, they might think about how likely they are to fly the coop, that is, to sell their investment and get out while the getting's good. And if they are thinking about fleeing the investment, they might be less likely to invest in the first place. So it's like they are saying, I'm not going to invest if I'm likely to fly away. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird concept, but it's worth thinking about. Thanks again for tuning in, folks. We'll catch you on the flip side.